So here we have the Marvel Legends Avengers Endgame Iron Man Power Gauntlet. It is just like the Infinity Gauntlet we unboxed about a year ago. But of course, this is the Iron Man edition they have for Endgame. Now, you have the power. So this is just like the original Infinity Gauntlet where it has the closing mechanism and you just gotta press down here or push up, there we go, to release them in order to make the fingers artificial. And of course, once you're done using it, lock it into a fist and they just lock themselves in place. And this honestly feels pretty good. Feel like I am in an Iron Man suit. At least my arms are. Like in the Hulkbuster in a weird way. Since my hands are like somewhere around here and yet my hands extend way out here. If you just compare the color of the stones, it looks like the Infinity Gauntlet is definitely a little bit more vivid, while the Power Gauntlet from Iron Man is more toned down, especially the Mind Stone. Look how orange it looks compared to the yellow of the Infinity Gauntlet. I think I kind of like the Power Gauntlet better than the Infinity Gauntlet, just of how colorful it looks like. But of course, that is just a personal preference. So yeah, so this is a pretty neat Iron Man Infinity Gauntlet, which of course has its secret compartment, as does the Infinity Gauntlet, to put on the battery so you could activate the power of the Infinity Stone. So now with the AA batteries inside, we just press the Mind Stone and powered the Power Gauntlet on. That was honestly some dope sound effects, and look how it glows. So now if we take both gloves, because this is the right glove and this is the left, I have the power of life and death at the palm of my hands. Honestly, for the subtle differences between the Infinity Gauntlet and the Power Gauntlet, they could have just rehashed it, and pretty much that's kind of what I thought it was, a rehash of the Infinity Gauntlet. But they've put enough detail and made the stones slightly different and a little bit more brighter that, in my opinion, it does warrant its own glove. And I'm happy about that because I'm really super happy with his purchase. I really enjoyed this Iron Man Power Gauntlet. Didn't expect myself to enjoy it as much as I did, but it's pretty awesome. But anyways, guys, this is the Marvel Legends Iron Man Power Gauntlet, or Hulk, I guess. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop that like and share this video. And as always, guys, I hope to see you all in the next one. And of course, this is just a reminder that I am Iron Man.